That really massive point there, because if you don't know, you don't know, right? And if you know, but you don't at least ask questions about that service, then it's really on you. So yeah, like it is insurance. It is making sure that you're doing the best that you can with where you're at and the knowledge you have at that time. Yeah. So you're outsourcing, like, you know, expertise really. And you're paying someone that's done it before several times to find you that correct asset that's going to put you in a different position 5 or 10 years from now. Yeah. So yeah, it's money well spent. Yeah. There's no doubt about that. And in terms of being easy to sell a house, yeah, I mean, in this market, you just got to chuck it on realestate.com and it just goes in a couple of days.
That's it.